Hi, Mallory. Thanks for posting your video. Um, I really liked the topic of your persuasive speech. It was very relevant, obviously. Um, and I was very impressed at how you had so many facts about it, even so soon after the event just happened. Um, so I thought, ethos I thought for emotionally it was just something people could relate to or just feel the pain for those students and their families. Um, yeah, and I thought you had great information. You had really great um, details and uh, statistics and whatnot. But and I could be wrong, but I think it may have been like better to state where the sources were coming from. Um, I thought you looked really professional and that it was a great speech. It was distracting to have the background noise, but I understand the situation. And yeah, overall, I thought you did a great job. I thought you organized very well. You really did pull it all together and you made it feel very personal and meaningful. And I could definitely tell that your heart was in that speech. So I really appreciated that. So thank you for sharing. I enjoyed your persuasive speech. It was very well thought through and executed. So thanks so much.